Daniel again. It's the same day. I'm back in the office here, and I wanted to take a look at a little bit about the antiques here because I was browsing around the office, Dr. William and Dutch's office, and I could see that these antiques are really very old. This looks like Isaac Hall, for a forgotten American hero, and then there's a sword, and there's a vase from when he was in his time. There's a telescope, it looks like, or some type of scope, I guess he used from his ship. There's a model of the ship as well. That's Isaac Hole's model ship. And there's a beautiful document in the back. I can't really see it that well, but I believe it's a article from Georgiate Regis, page 174, chapter CCXV11, whatever that is. I don't know. And then there's other pictures here, all pictures of very old, nostalgic type of pictures. I guess one each depicts the Victorian era and the era when Derby was younger. It's quite interesting. This is when Derby, Connecticut was first in 1887. You see the difference, and then you have Derby, Connecticut. This same exact street, and the same year, 1887. You see the differences. Then you have the over here, and since being a business owner for 4 years now, I'm also interested a little bit in history and theology, history. And there's old also over here. There's old, very old Lilly Manufacturing. It's a pharmaceutical manufacturer. Elixir, it looks like. Very old elixirs and very old wine bottles, and you have horses here, and you have globes that are from the 40s and 1900s, early 1900s, early 21st or 20th century or 21st century. Also, you have all in this section. It seems like you have all the different types of things that promote medications. There's one for Tusi. I don't know what that is. Nizaram. I hope you're seeing this well, but these are all old products that they used to promote. There's one for Adipex. I don't know what that's a diet pill, I believe, and different things. It's very interesting what you could see in these areas and different clients. When you go to different clients, that's why I'm taking advantage of YouTube and showing you that not only do I do a good job, but I also like to see some history behind different clients here. And this one's profound, actually. This is Birmingham, and this is Derby in 1865. So this is a map of Derby in 1865. Public Square, it seems. There's a public square. There's Elizabeth Street, the street we're on now. This is what it used to look like. This whole map. There's was New Haven. The line of New Haven over here. So this is the original map, I guess. And it says at the bottom, it's very detailed. It says Derby circa 1865. So this is what Derby looked at in 1865, and it's quite interesting too. This used to be a telephone booth. I was speaking with the doctor back there. This used to be a telephone booth. This one big thing here, and he converted it into just a wall. So at one time, people used to make phone calls for this. As I travel around too, so I also wanted to show my viewers on YouTube. I want to show these very interesting nostalgic items here. These are all elixir bottles, believe it or not. It's like oil, organium, commercial. So, because at one time this was a pharmacy. And then if you look over here, these are not ancient. These are new Chinese paintings, which I was speaking to the doctor as well. That China offered a lot of money to take them back for an exhibit, but they didn't. I'm sorry, the doctor did not want to take them back. He wanted to keep them, and it's quite interesting to see the artwork and how many different things that there is. I mean, it's just a profound thing, and these are very simple, but they're Chinese, and this applies to my Chinese customers. I have some Chinese customers that are very good to me. I have some Indian customers as well. So multicultural. These are pens. Whole collection of pens we're looking at here. Loratab, all different types of medicines. Let me cut this short. This plate over here is beautiful. Anyway, here's some Air Pilot stuff. This is original metals, looks like. No, original metals. And then you have Notary Public, Abraham Ribicoff, Governor of the state of Connecticut. Yeah, see that? Zoom in. Abraham Ribicoff, Governor of the state of Connecticut. Air Force One. Wow, the original Air Force One napkin, it looks like. And then you have Air Force over here. You have very beautiful things. I wonder if News Channel 8 or some type of news should come in this place and really do a little story around the history that this is not a typical doctor's office. This is a real doctor's office where it actually keeps a history of where it came from. Because look, there's even a soda fountain. This is a soda fountain. Originally, people used to sit down on these stools and drink soda from. So imagine there was someone in the 1940s and 1950s standing behind that desk and giving a person a Coca-Cola. So this is quite amazing. I'm surprised this doesn't make the New York Times, the way this place is set up. You have, bottles of elixirs and different things, and milk glass over there, I guess it's called, and prescriptions expertly compounded by a registered pharmacist, X-Lax. That's the original X-Lax ad. That's a diuretic thing. Oh no, that's for constipation. Yeah, but it's quite interesting, this office that I've walked into, and I don't know really who it is, but in the next video what I'll do is I'll see if the doctor wants to be interviewed, and I'll see if I can get an interview with the doctor himself and see whether he would like to say a few words about his office. So tune into the next video, and which is going to be in about 5 minutes anyway. So tune into the next video, and we'll see what we can do. Again, this is Daniel. This is Daniel with Bear Marketing Consulting, and don't forget to call us at 203-809-8192 if you have any issues, qualms, if you want to grow your business, if you want some computer repair, whatever it may be. We do this for a living. We do this for a profession. We've been doing this for 4 years in business, and we have 17 years experience. So please give us a call again at 203-809-8192. And as I said, the doctor's office, we're going to go in back on the next video and see if the doctor wants to be interviewed. But he may not, so I don't really know. We're going to see. He's with a patient right now, but I'm going to see if he wants to be interviewed. If he does want to be interviewed, then we will interview him. If he doesn't, then I'm sorry. But I tune in next time for another video if he doesn't want to be interviewed. Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye.